Ibotta usually delivers cash to your bank or PayPal faster after you request a withdrawal, while Swagbucks often requires an extra verification and processing step before rewards are sent. By the end of this video, you'll know which app pays out faster, why the processing times are different, and which one is the better choice for the way you earn rewards. The quick answer is that Ibotta is generally faster once your cash is available to withdraw. The reason is simple. Ibotta rewards are tied to completed shopping offers. After your purchase is verified and your earnings become available, you can request a payout directly through the app if you've reached the minimum withdrawal amount. Swagbucks works differently. You earn points by completing surveys, shopping online, watching videos, playing games, and using promotional offers. Many of those activities go through an approval process before the points become available. Shopping offers, for example, can stay pending while the retailer confirms the purchase. That waiting period is often longer than the actual payment process. If your goal is getting money into your account as quickly as possible, Ibotta has the advantage after your rewards are cleared. The trade-off is that you have to buy eligible products, upload your receipt, or link a supported retailer account, and wait for the purchase to qualify. Swagbucks gives you many more ways to earn, but every earning method has its own timeline. Surveys may credit quickly, while cashback shopping offers and partner promotions can take much longer to move from pending to available. After you redeem your points for PayPal cash or a gift card, you'll also wait for the redemption to be processed. The best way to avoid delays on either app is to follow every requirement exactly. Buy qualifying products. Activate offers before shopping when required. Keep your receipts until rewards are credited. And make sure your account information is verified before requesting a payout. So which app actually sends money faster? If you're comparing the withdrawal process itself, Ibotta is generally the quicker option once your rewards are available. If you're comparing the entire process from completing a task to receiving your money, the answer depends on how you earn the reward, because Swagbucks uses several earning methods with different approval times. The key takeaway is simple. Ibotta usually has the faster payout experience after rewards clear. Swagbucks offers more ways to earn, but often involves longer approval periods, and following each app's requirements helps you avoid unnecessary delays. Try the one that matches how you prefer to earn. And if this video helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons.